Hello viewers, welcome to Project On. What you are witnessing is not a science fiction, it is just took off in India. Mr. Ravi Tamta from Almora, Uttarakhand built a custom single-seater electric flying car through his startup named as HAPIDA Sky. The car is powered completely by electricity using multi-motor drone technology. The vehicle is designed to tackle through mountains and terrains. This innovation could slash travel time drastically and help in emergency medical transportation across rural areas. According to the innovator, the project aims to make safe, affordable and sustainable personal air transportation accessible in India. The successful demonstration highlights the growing capabilities of Indian startups in developing advanced mobility technologies. Experts believe the state's challenging Himalayan terrain makes it an ideal testing ground for next generation aerial mobility solution that can overcome limitations of road connectivity. Now, what do you think? Would you ride an electric flying car across these mountains?